Hey, and welcome back to Lang Speed and Cycle. We're doing something really cool today. I'm up north at my uncle's and he has a 1972 Ford Ranchero. It's a super cool car. He's also got two puppies, so they're right behind me. Back there. But what we're doing today is I'm with my brother Andrew and we're pulling a 351 Cleveland and automatic transmission out of this old Torino frame. And if you want to follow me in here, this is the 72 Ranchero, and we found this at a farm in rural Minnesota. Well, we got to the farm and here's the car. So the previous owner put a cam in it and was backfiring through the carburetor. This is a 351 Cleveland. The car looks totally straight, which is nice. You know, we haven't looked underneath it, so we're kind of crossing our fingers, but super complete. You know, these 72 Rancheros are very hard to find parts for, so finding one that's complete, you know, is really nice. And, you know, mechanical stuff can always be rebuilt. Here we got the trailer full of spare parts. I think a lot of it's junk, but that's okay. Some old American racing wheels. You know, I think we should probably keep those around, but the door's open and closed. It's got an awesome white interior in it. I'm going to encourage my uncle to keep it together, but we'll get it loaded up and hauled up to my uncle's up north. But pretty sweet so far. And there's so many quirky little things about this car. I can't wait to show you guys. It's going to be super fun. We'll try and get as much content as we can of the whole process today. And then this spring, everything's going to be restored and we're going to put it all back together. It's going to be super cool. But this engine is pretty much toast and the new engine is looking really solid. So let's get started. Now what?
One down. One to go. How'd it go, Andrew?
That was a lot of fun. It was great. Very straightforward.
Pretty easy. Only got this guy after lunch and a beer, or 5. Well, me and my comedic brother are back at it on this engine. I don't know if I can trust you.
Why would you do that?
So far we've seen a whole lot of hilarious things on this engine that while we're taking it apart. Like, I don't know, tying wire together to just hold your throttle bracket down. Great job. Drilling holes in the firewall to plumb your windshield wiper switch because you don't know how to test a motor. The engine is completely locked up. I feel like we've just run into a locked up motor. Maybe not. Maybe we have.
Starts with the B.
Oh yeah, the Buick. That's right.
That's right.
Yep.
Yeah.
Whoops.
Did you show them this beautiful one?
Yeah, we saw the.
These are custom.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's custom. The bushingless control arms. Exhaust is attached by one bolt. Not even attached at all. The transmission isn't attached at all. We just took the yoke out of the transmission and drained transmission fluid everywhere, so that's fine. And then I drained varnish all over the floor, which is fine. And then we took off the thickest spark plug wires you can probably buy for a Ford engine. So yeah, I'd say it's going pretty smooth. Andrew just found this. Allen head bolts. Got like a 10mm. Then an Allen head.
Gotta empty out the coffee can.
Yeah, we gotta get all the spare bolts taken care of. Ay.
Oh wow, cool.
We got the tunes cranking. Engine and tranny are out of the frame. Got this engine and tranny ready to get pulled.
Just like you, quality.
Take the impact in.
Yep.
Now we should be able to pull it. Up. Okay. About 10 pumps. Easy peasy, lemon.
Okay, back.
Back.
Andrew, can you help Dad?
Yep.
Up. And back.
Oh, we got the training on.
Oop.
Hold on. Okay, now pull.
Pull it back. Pull her
Hold
back.
it. Hold it. Hold it. We're good. We're gonna come this way.
Lay it up. Lay it on there on the frame.
Okay, go.
Okay, maybe switch this tranny today. We can do that.
You want anything underneath that oil pan?
I like that. Thank you. Say what?
Oil pan, do you want anything under?
No. No.
Boom.
Shaboom! Hey!
Yeah, we're off the chain, bro.
She's removed. We have a complete disconnect. Sometimes I have a disconnect. What do you think, Uncle Mark? Any passing words?
I'm just glad it's out. I don't think that tranny mount was good, Nard.
It fell off as it came out.
Yep. It's a little good.
Andrew and I had decided that we had had enough fun, so we made a list for our youngest brother Dave to finish off the work. Well, we got the engine and transmission separated. Dave is insane, and he also removed everything, but the engine's totally locked up. Okay, we got. Can you see? We got this guy this morning, him now, and this guy now.
Put me in, coach.
Not sketchy at all. Not sketchy at all.
Scalpel. Surgical.
Everything is fine. 351 Cleveland swap trailer. Oh, sick. It's a stroker. Means it
Give you a stroke.
Yep. Overall, the weekend was a success. We got both engines pulled. We all had a great time together. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. I got a bunch of Buick updates for you guys. And remember, find them, fix them, and drive them.